Hello, welcome all. After getting our first homepage of Yii2 framework, today we will learn about Yii2 framework application structure. For that, we need to open our Visual Studio. So we open our basic folder template. Then htdoc basic, select the folder. Okay. Here is our basic template folder, and in that we can see so many components. So today we will learn about this all the components and what is the actual structure of the Yii framework. What are the assets, what are the commands, what are the config file, and why it is used. So let's start with it. Yii2 has new improved application structure. It uses Composer to manage its all dependency. So we will learn about it one by one. So what are the assets? In assets, you can include all your JS and CSS files here that are used in your web application. Next is commands. Commands uses the controller that can be used from the terminals. You can declare your own commands here also in code. The next is config file. Config include db.php, param.php, test.php, web.php. So what are these files actually? The db.php file is a database connection file. From here you can declare your database name, password, what are the which is localhost is used, which is port is used, what is the name of your database, what is your username. Params contains the parameters which are globally created here or which are globally declared here that all are used in your web page. You can declare your own global variable here. Test.php defines all the tests that is used to debug the application. Web.php defines your components and the modules. Here is the components and the modules. If you want to change the name of your URL, you can change here by using URL manager. You can define URL rules here also. So this is config file. Next is controller. Controller, its role is to process the request from the user and generate the responses. Here is inbuilt already defined controller. Here is the name of the site controller is already defined. So from here it includes actions. What are the actions it should behave? Next is mail. Includes all your mail layout. Next is modules. Includes models includes which are the models used in application. Runtime. It stores your runtime data. Tests includes all your tests. Vendor. It contains all the third-party packages that are managed by the composer. And what is the composer? It's Composer is a dependency manager file that is used in Yii2 framework to manage its all dependency. Here is a composer.json file. Okay. All the dependencies file are defined here, and all these are managed in this vendor folder. Next is view. This folder is for views. that can displace the controllers. See here, the site controller which is defined here. Here is a view file about this, the controller. See, you can see the about.php file, contact.php, error, index.php. See, our first home page is congratulations. See, you can see the index.php and you can successfully created your e-powered application. It is your view. It is the layout folder for the page template. After view, the next is web. The web folder contains entry point of our web application. That is, it contains the index.php file. Entry point of our web page application. Our code first goes here and index.php is our first entry script code. So how is this is the application structure of the Yii framework. We will learn about our first program in our next video. Thank you.